happy Monday. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. So if I startled you because I have no makeup on, I apologize, but after this video, Christopher and I are heading to the pool, so there was really no need for makeup, so I just did skincare and some SPF. I did put on a little bit of gloss just so I wouldn't look quite as scary, so you're getting me all natural, which works because that was the theme for BoxyCharm this month, so I'm going with it. So anyway, as you can see from the description below, today is a Birchbox haul, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys because I was waiting on one final item. It came in today, but two of these items are for you guys. They are going into our 4,000 subscriber giveaway. What? Yes, I know. And you guys, we are less than 150 away. So we are like getting there. We're getting there. And don't forget our 3,000 subscriber, I'm so excited, I'm stumbling in my words. Our 3,000 subscriber giveaway ends this week on the 17th. So if you have not already, make sure you do enter that. The link will be down below. Also, Birchbox, you guys, I know right now that I feel like they're getting a bad rap. However, I definitely 110% do think that since they have revamped their subscription and increased the price, I think that it's worth it. I can tell you that the last 2 months, June and July, that I have actually been very, very happy with the boxes I have received. Whereas in previous months, I was like, I'm not going to use this, or they were the super smurf tiny samples. You guys, Birchbox is definitely stepping up their game. So if you are on the fence, if you have canceled, a few months back because it wasn't great, give it another try, you guys. I'm telling you, I will put a link down below. The link actually will save you, if you sign up for like 3 months, it'll save you like $9 on those 3 months. So you will end up paying like $12 a box. Which is not bad because I'm telling you, I mean, last month I got a full-size Smith & Colt nail polish. That is valued at $18. So that's more than the price of the box, not to mention the other 5 or so products that I received, because you're receiving 5 to 7. I think this month I got 6. And again, just to remind you, Birchbox gives you the option to pick a sample, and then the rest of the box is curated based on your profile. You can do a completely curated box on your profile, so you will not know what you get until you get it, or you can choose from their specially curated boxes, which now are usually at least like 4 to 5, and I think they're really awesome. So definitely rethink Birchbox if you are on the fence or you weren't really feeling them before. Give them another try, you guys, because they're doing fantastic. But anyway, I digress. So let's get to this haul. So this was, I say haul, it is just a few items, but it's just some stuff that I picked up on Birchbox. Their website, I do love their website because you can get items from them, which is fantastic. And sometimes they have things on sale, or in a kit. Just sometimes you can find some really good deals. So we're gonna start with something that I actually ordered for my husband and Christopher. Yeah, can you believe it? Because Birchbox does have the men's subscription, so they do carry men's products. So this I actually got Montez Renault. I don't even know if I'm saying it correctly. It's a 3-in-1 performance wash right here. It obviously is full size. This is like a shampoo, conditioner, body wash, like 3-in-1 type of situation. Which Christopher and my husband both actually like, because then they can scrub it in their hair, rub it everywhere else, they're good to go. And I want to know what it smells like, so I'll go ahead and take this off because they'll probably end up using it. Oh, that smells really good, y'all. It smells very fresh and just clean, but like woodsy, like a man. So I got this guy. This is normally $20. This is what I'm talking about their sale. It was on sale for 10 and then I got an additional 30% off. So I got this $20 product for $7. So that's what I'm talking about with their website. You definitely keep an eye on their sales. And a lot of the times they will have products that are on sale with an additional percentage off. So you can find some really great deals. So I got this for those boys in my life, those guys. All right. So the next item I picked up was this Nexxus shampoo, the Therapy Ultimate Moisture Shampoo with protein fusion with elastin, protein, and green caviar. And you guys, it smells amazing. I love, ooh, easy now. I just love the way the Nexxus shampoos and stuff smell. And this is for normal to dry hair. It says, at Nexxus, we know that hair is made of around 90% proteins, which is why we use advanced scientific methods to identify the protein needs of each hair type. We create customized formulas with proteins to bring your hair back to life. Therapy shampoo with our exclusive protein fusion blend with elastin, protein, and green caviar cleanses normal to dry hair to leave it feeling nourished and moisturized. So I'm definitely excited to give this a try. I have not tried this specific shampoo from Nexxus, but I have tried others and I always love them. So I saw this one and I wanted to pick it up. So yay, new shampoo. Okay. And then the next product I am super excited about, you guys. Sunday Riley. So this is the Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. It says it is for oily to acne prone skin. It has bentonite, marshmallow, and manuka. Instantly transforms from a cooling gel to a mattifying water toner as it clarifies, removes oil, and visibly tightens the appearance of pores for clear, shine-free skin. Y'all, I needed a toner. I love Sunday Riley. I saw this and I was like, okay. Now they did have a larger size, but because obviously I want to give it a try, I just went with this guy. I mean, it still wasn't, you know, for 1.7 ounces, it was still rather pricey. But I have no doubt that this will work because I have not had any Sunday Riley product not work and do exactly what it says it's going to do. So I am a 110% a Sunday Riley supporter. So I love Sunday Riley. I do want to see, oh, so it's like a big old pump. We'll just see really quick. It made a weird noise. Ooh, okay. I don't want to waste it because like I said, it was not cheap. So here's how it comes out. Ooh. And just that little bit. I don't know that it really has a smell, to be honest. I don't really smell anything, but it's not sticky or anything. So yay, Sunday Riley. All right, now these next products, like I said, there were two for you guys to go into our 4,000 subscriber giveaway. The huge pile over there that if you missed my, oh, what video was it even in? I don't remember. That's how mom brained I am today, and just Monday brain. But I have a video and it even says 4K sneak peek. You guys saw the huge pile that I have already started. So here we have 2 more items adding to that pile. Now, this is one brand that I absolutely love, and I do love their makeup wipes. And I was so excited to find this. This actually came in a 2-pack, so one's for me and one's for you. So I have 2. I'll just set mine over here. So this, we'll just take it out. We don't need that. Well, maybe we do to read. But some Acure. These are actually micellar water cleansing towelettes. It says with rose and cucumber for normal to sensitive skin. It is 100% vegan, 0% questionable. Paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, petroleum petroleum free, silicone free, and cruelty free. There are 30 of these in here. It says, be gorgeous on the go with these micellar water towelettes. Gently remove makeup, dirt, sweat, environmental toxins, and that mustard from the corner of your mouth. No splashy rinsing necessary. We believe that skin wellness means helping your skin thrive with soothing hydration and botanical ingredients. Thrive on. So, you guys are going to get a set of these 30 Acure micellar water cleansing towelettes. Yay! And we'll be twins because I have one. So that is going to go into our 4K giveaway. And then the final thing that I got and the final thing that I'm showing you for the 4,000 subscriber giveaway is one of their kits. And this is, I love the Birchbox kits. I think they're amazing and I think they're a fantastic deal. This is the Date Night Made Easy kit. Create a fun, flirty look with the makeup in this kit. So it comes in this little bag. I'm not going to take everything out. I am going to just open this because obviously I'll probably go over this again in the actual 4K giveaway video. So I'm not going to take anything out right now, but I will just tell you what is in it because it is all listed right here. So you're getting the MAC Cosmetics Cream Sheen Lipstick in Hang Up. It is full size and it's valued at $18.50. The Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, full size is $23. Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Foundation Primer, full size is $36. The ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in Flexitarian, and that is a full-size product. The Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow in Stardust, it is full size, that is $10. The Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, full size, $22. The Benefit Cosmetics California Sunny Golden Pink Blush, full size is $30. And an exclusive Birchbox mirror. So, all of those goodies are in here. The MAC and the ColourPop, the Love of Color, the mirror, obviously, are all full size. The eyeliner and the Stila lips, the Stila mascara are deluxe sizes, and then the Benefit and the Smashbox are, well, no, I think the Benefit, that's definitely at least deluxe size. So, anyway, this was the other item that I ordered. Now, let me get this back in here so it looks all cute and pretty for you guys. So, yeah, I love the Birchbox kits. These actually, what I like about them is, first of all, you can order stuff like this and you don't have to think about, you know, they put it all in here for you, which is fantastic. And they have so many different ones. I mean, hair, skincare, just makeup, just different things. Anyway, they have so many different kits, and I think they're just a fun way to pick up a couple different products and try them out. And like I said, some are full size. I mean, we got MAC, Stila, ColourPop, Smashbox. We've got such great products in this. But also, they're discounted. So I forget what the actual value of this kit is, but I paid like half the price of the actual value of this kit. So keep that in mind if you want to check out Birchbox for that reason as well. These kits are so awesome, and they're always changing and adding new kits and discovery boxes. One of my favorite things I think I've ever ordered was from Birchbox, and it was their limited edition summer kit, and it came with full-size products, and I believe it was like $62, but it was valued at like $270 some dollars, and I got quite a lot of amazing full-size products in that. So definitely keep an eye out on those. But that was my Birchbox haul. So you now know two other items, the Acure Micellar Water Facial Wipes and the Date Night Made Easy kit are going into the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. So I have rambled. I am ready to go get my son on with my son. So you guys have a wonderful Monday. Don't forget to enter that 3,000 subscriber giveaway if you have not already. And if you are new, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. We always have a great time here. Lots of giveaways, lots of unboxings, reviews. We do live streams that are so much fun, sneak peek videos, so definitely check it well, you're here, so you're checking us out. Just smash that subscribe button. You won't regret it, I promise. And as always, leave your thoughts down below and give the video a thumbs up, please. It does help me out. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.